Hello guys, this is your PDF expert. In today's videos, we are more focused on modifying the PDF document using our cell phones. In Acrobat Subscription, there is a subscription known as Acrobat Premium. Using Acrobat Premium, you can use your mobile phones to modify your PDF documents. However, we have to download the Acrobat Reader application on our phones first. To download Acrobat Reader application, open your Play Store, or App Store if you are using an iPhone, and search Reader or Acrobat Reader from the search option. You will get an application with the same logo as the Acrobat Pro desktop application. Click on that and click on Install or Get. Once the download install is complete, open the application and sign in using your registered email address and password. Give all the necessary permissions to access the notifications and file folders. Once all these steps are complete, you will get a home screen with Welcome written on the top. Now, if you already have your documents on the Adobe Cloud server, you can view them by clicking on the Files option from the bottom. If you are not signed in, you have to sign in using the profile icon from the top left corner option. Basic things like commenting and putting the signature on the document are available in the Acrobat Reader application. Without purchasing any subscription, but to use premium features like Edit PDF, Combine PDF, Organize Pages, etc. are only available with an Acrobat Premium subscription. If you want to check the prices of the Acrobat Premium subscription, I will mention the link for price and planning in the video description. There is one very important thing about the Acrobat Premium subscription we need to know before using this subscription. We cannot edit scanned or pictured documents using this plan, and for that, we need a desktop-level subscription like Acrobat Pro DC or Acrobat Professional. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit a like and subscribe button. Leave comments if you need any specific video related to the Adobe Acrobat application. See you soon with the next one.